3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Woo! Wow!
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Travelling Hobbit. Obviously, I'm not the Travelling Hobbit, but after the success of the CN Tower and walking around the outside, I thought I'd surprise Neil with a little day out in London and a little mini adventure. So I'm not going to tell you what it is, and I'm not going to tell him what it is until we get there, or he might work it out for himself halfway. But let's go and find him and spoil the thought that we're going shopping and see what happens. Hello. Are you ready?
Where do you want to go for open?
Yeah, we're not going shopping.
Oh, I thought we were going shopping.
No blue water for you.
No.
Yeah, get some.
Where are we going then?
No, telling you, get some shoes on and don't wear flip flops.
Oh, okay.
They've got to be lace up shoes, and yeah, that's it.
Okay. Let me finish my game first.
No, get move on.
Do I need to get a jacket or something?
You can put one in the car, but you're all right. Okay.
Alright.
Say good morning.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Traveling Hobbit. I don't know where we're going. We'll find out later.
Yep. Okay.
I don't know. Let's go.
Get ready. See you in a bit.
So where are we, man?
We're in London. Currently.
I think we're going to McDonald's.
Yeah, McDonald's.
Right
And then,
there.
as a special treat, I'm going to take you to Halfords and Pets at Home.
Wow, Halfords and Pets at Home. Woohoo! Maybe a new pet.
Buy your guinea pig.
We're still traveling, and obviously we're in central London, so which is fair enough. I know we're in flat, but I don't know what we're doing now, so stay tuned. Hi guys,
Hello.
we are in London, but I think we are in Lambeth.
Yeah, we are. We're in the London
Yeah.
borough of Lambeth.
Yeah, we are in Lambeth, so it's central London still, and yeah, I'm just kind of like guided to where we're going actually.
You've been kidnapped.
If it's your first time over here, make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and comment something back, and press the bell as well so you can see our videos every week, guys. Okay, so yeah, let's wait and see where we're going. I think I know where we're going.
Where are we going?
We're going zip lining.
We're going Zip Now London.
Zip wiring. Zip lining? Zip wiring?
Yep.
Woo!
And this is
Exciting!
the bottom bit. It's taller up the other end.
Okay, cool.
Let's come have a look.
Yeah. Let's go! Hi guys, so we are at Zip Now in London. So how much did you pay for this?
We paid £25 each. So that's like an early bird special. So I think if you arrive before midday, but you can get group discounts and other bits and bobs.
Okay, cool. Alrighty. Right. Let's do this. I'm glad I'm not afraid of heights though. I'm claustrophobic. But I'm not afraid of heights, hopefully.
Not after the CN Tower.
So yeah, we'll see. Let's go.
If you're pregnant or have a medical condition that might prevent you from taking part, please let our team know after this presentation. For your safety, you need to ensure that you are ready to ride.
Hello. We're getting prepared. So yeah. There you go. And what's your name, sorry?
Charlotte.
Charlotte is taking care of us. So there you go. So yeah, we're all geared up by Charlotte. Charlotte helped us. So we're just going to go on that one. You can see right there. But yeah, hopefully it'll be fun.
You got two rides, I bet.
We got 2 rides, yeah. So we'll see how it goes. But it's actually about 183 steps on the stairs that we're going to be climbing. But yeah, excited actually. Let's go. Yep, this is the start of the 183 steps going up. Oh my god. Should be fun. We're just halfway through and we're panting already.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Oh bloody hell. Right, this is it.
Oh, okay, lovely.
Cool. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So you got your camera ready.
I know. What's your name?
Naomi.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you've actually recorded me now?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Are you vlogging?
There you go. Yeah, yeah, I'm actually.
Oh, hi. Are you on YouTube?
Yeah, I am.
Hi YouTube. Oh my god.
There you go.
Oh god.
They're all here to support us.
Yeah.
So,
that you do the ride today.
yeah, exactly.
And enjoy
Safety
the
first
second
as well, guys, okay?
Yeah.
Safety first.
Yeah.
You can come through the gates for me, please.
Yeah.
Through the gates. Lovely. So if you can make your way to the third or the fourth step. Amazing. Bro, it's
Third
so
one.
brave. Benjamin.
Lift your legs. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Woo! Wow!
So I need to spin around
Yeah.
and walk backwards. Keep going backwards. And just go right into the corner.
That was fast. But it's cool. Wow, okay.
So, how was it?
Yeah, good. We're going to do it on the second time. Hopefully it's better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun.
I went really fast
Yeah.
because I'm a lump.
It's not too bad for 10 pounds for another one.
Yeah, it's pretty cool for a second try.
Let's go.
And we're off again. 183
We're
steps.
off again.
35 meters of tower.
83 steps again. We'll be panting when we go up.
But we came early and the sun's not too hot yet, so I think we did the right thing.
Yeah, true.
Hi guys, we're just waiting for our second
Second turn, yeah?
Yeah, second turn. I've got the GoPro this time, so hopefully I'll get some footage of Neil. But because I'm a bit of a lump, I went down really fast, so we'll find out what happens.
If you're new here, guys, make sure you press the subscribe button below. Like, comment, and share, and comment something back, and press the bell so that you can see our videos every week, guys, okay? So, stick around for the second one.
Second ride.
Take off in 3, 2, 1, go!
Hello.
All done!
All done. 2 rides. That was fun.
Hi guys, we just finished the zipline event. That's really cool.
Good surprise.
Yeah, really good surprise. Thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah. So we're just about to go and have something for lunch.
Yep.
I'm treating lunch because he treated me for the zip wire,
Yeah.
which is good. So yeah, let's go. We're going on a Japanese restaurant, which we often go for about 8 years now,
12 years.
or maybe 12 years. now,
12 years.
Yeah.
But it's a new one. So we've not been here before.
Yeah, so yeah, we're going there. We're just going to be walking through there, and then that's it. So I'll see you around, guys. Hi guys, we're still in London and we just had our lunch. Really nice lunch.
Chicken teriyaki don.
Yeah, we always get chicken teriyaki done. But we're just lounging around here in their local park.
Yep.
Really nice here.
Yeah, Kennington Park.
Kennington Park. Okay, cool.
Yep.
And yeah, about 5 to 10 minutes we're just going to be leaving here, and that's about it. That's the end of our day.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy our episode for today. If you're new here, guys, make sure you press the subscribe button below. Like, comment, and share, and comment something back, and press the bell as well so you could see our videos every week, guys. Okay, so from all of us here in Kennington in London, always remember, guys, great happy memories, and always keep smiling. See you soon. Bye.